Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting the basics ready so purchases and ownership are clear. Sign into your Microsoft account on the Xbox, confirm email and two-step verification if present, and make sure your storage has the GB you need. Once done, check account payment settings and remove Game Pass recurring billing or cancel the trial. This prevents automatic charges. Also check offline mode and privacy settings so you can still access owned games without subscription interruptions. Next, acquire the games you want without Game Pass. You can buy digital titles from the Microsoft Store, redeem prepaid codes, or use physical discs. Each method grants ownership so you don't rely on a subscription. Install games to your internal or external drive and allow any required updates. This ensures they launch smoothly. For free-to-play games, just download and sign into the publisher account if required. Make sure saved data and cloud sync options are set so you don't lose progress. Finally, validate and play. Connect online briefly to confirm purchases and download final updates, then you can play offline. If a game won't start, make sure the same Microsoft account that purchased it is signed in, as ownership ties to accounts. If problems persist, power cycle the console, clear the cache by holding the power button, or uninstall and reinstall the title to fix corrupted files. If licensing errors continue, sign out and back in or check billing history to confirm the purchase.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.